8 planets, all born from the same vast cloud of gas and dust. Yet each became a completely different world. Some are smaller than Earth, others are so large that our planet almost disappears beside them. Let's meet the planets, one particle at a time. First comes Mercury, the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. At just 38% of Earth's diameter, Mercury would look almost like a large moon beside us. It races around the Sun in only 88 Earth days, but rotates remarkably slowly. One full rotation takes nearly 59 Earth days. With almost no atmosphere to hold heat, temperatures can climb to about 430 degrees Celsius during the day, then fall below -180 at night. Less than half Earth's width, a fast year and a very long day. Venus is the closest planet to Earth in size. Its diameter is about 95% of ours. Placed side by side, the two planets would appear almost like twins. But beneath Venus's clouds is the hottest planetary surface in the solar system, around 464 degrees Celsius. Its dense carbon dioxide atmosphere traps heat through an extreme greenhouse effect. Venus also rotates backward compared with most planets, and one rotation takes longer than one Venusian year. Almost Earth-sized, but almost nothing like Earth. Then comes Earth. For every size comparison in this journey, Earth is the baseline. One Earth wide. About 12,756 kilometers across at the equator. It is the largest of the 4 rocky planets, but still only the 5th largest planet overall. Liquid oceans cover most of its surface. Its atmosphere moves clouds, carries weather, and helps regulate temperature. And so far, Earth remains the only world known to support life. Not the largest, not the hottest, just home. Mars is only about 53% of Earth's diameter. Put 2 Mars-sized worlds side by side, and together they would be only slightly wider than Earth. Yet its day feels surprisingly familiar. 24 hours and 37 minutes. Its surface is cold, averaging roughly -65 degrees Celsius. Today, Mars is dry and dusty, but ancient river valleys, lake beds, and water-formed minerals reveal a wetter past. It is also home to Olympus Mons, the largest known volcano in the solar system. A world barely half Earth's width, with landscapes on an enormous scale. Now the scale changes completely. Jupiter is nearly 11 times wider than Earth. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be about the size of a basketball. More than 1,000 Earth-sized volumes could fit inside it, and despite that enormous size, Jupiter rotates faster than any other planet. One day lasts just under 10 hours. That rapid spin helps create powerful cloud bands and vast storms. Its great red spot alone is wider than Earth. There is no solid surface beneath those clouds, only atmosphere, becoming denser, hotter, and stranger with depth. Beside Jupiter, Earth becomes a small blue dot. Saturn is just over 9 times wider than Earth. If Earth were a small coin, Saturn would be roughly the size of a volleyball. It is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system, but its most famous feature extends far beyond the planet itself. The rings span hundreds of thousands of kilometers. From a distance, they look smooth and solid, but they are made from countless pieces of ice and rock. Some are as small as grains, others are as large as buildings. And despite Saturn's immense size, it is the least dense planet in the solar system. A giant world surrounded by something astonishingly thin and delicate. Uranus is almost 4 times wider than Earth. That means 4 Earths placed across its diameter would fit nearly edge to edge. But size is not its strangest feature. Uranus rotates almost completely on its side. Its axis is tilted by about 98 degrees, possibly because of a major collision early in its history. As it travels around the Sun, each pole can face decades of sunlight, followed by decades of darkness. Its blue-green colour comes from methane in its atmosphere. And despite being closer to the Sun than Neptune, Uranus can reach the coldest atmospheric temperatures measured on any planet. 4 Earths wide, and rolling around the Sun on its side. Neptune is about 3.9 times wider than Earth. It is slightly smaller than Uranus, but it contains more mass. One day lasts about 16 hours. 1 year takes nearly 165 Earth years. At Neptune's distance, sunlight is roughly 900 times weaker than it is here. Yet the planet is anything but still. Its atmosphere contains the fastest winds measured on any planet, reaching more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. Dark, cold, distant. Nearly 4 Earths wide and wrapped in some of the most violent weather in the solar system. Now place all 8 planets side by side at their true relative diameters. Mercury is less than 2/5 the width of Earth. Mars is just over half. Venus is almost our twin. Earth is the largest rocky planet. Then the giants take over. Uranus and Neptune are each about 4 Earths wide. Saturn is a little more than 9. And Jupiter, nearly 11. The diameter changes are dramatic, but volume changes even faster. A planet twice as wide can hold roughly 8 times the volume. That is why Jupiter can contain more than 1,000 Earth-sized volumes, even though it is only about 11 times wider. And then, the Sun appears. The Sun is about 109 Earths across. Placed beside it, even Jupiter looks small. Every planet in the solar system, from Mercury to Neptune, could fit within a fraction of the Sun's enormous scale. 8 planets, 4 small rocky worlds, 4 outer giants, and 1 star holding them all together. Which size comparison surprised you most? Mercury beside Earth? Earth beside Jupiter? Or Jupiter beside the Sun? Tell us in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey, please like the video and subscribe to Particle Atlas. Until next time, keep exploring.